flip on the camera. Drop phone, man.
Yeah, people, so this is what go on. This is Spice and Jada Kingdom at Spicy Fridays. And if you don't know what Spicy Fridays is, Spice new event that she keep every Friday, right? And there's somewhere in a Kingston. I'm not sure exactly where. But this past Friday now, Spice introduced Jada Kingdom, and she was there, and Spice call her up on stage and thing. And I mean, tell her if you come take some selfie with the people and thing. And Jada said she want to run a one song. So Jada, I go sing a song, so I go make you hear what she say, and then we go forward and talk about what go on with Jada, all the recent changes, you know what I mean, and Shenseea. Oh, I may have something for showing you with Shenseea too, so I go show you that. All right, so hear what Jada say. Yeah, someone want to show that little thing here with Shenseea. So Shenseea post a video singing her new song, Trick or Treat, and somebody left a comment and say, Shenseea has no talent, pure hype. So Shenseea just respond and say, and money, with a laughing emoji. Yeah, people, me I telling the artist life not easy, you know, because, you know what I mean, people always say something. Even me, I upload video, people say things more time, but you know, nowhere close to what them must get. You see what I say? It's like them a get it in the mass and hard to ignore. But let's go back and talk about Jada and Spice. You see me I say? Because, you know, Jada look like she gets a new recognition. And yes, she deserve it, because if you sing a song like that and I saw music go, I saw life go in general. If you prove yourself, say rare. So she sing a song and the song bad and everybody say rare. You know what I mean? Everybody just start look towards Jada. It's not like Jada never did do music before, but she did do a very specific music to keep her in a one place by herself. And now saying that wasn't good, but she did have her own lane, because Banana and them song there and nothing else like that. Even Love Situation, you know what I mean, a fear kind of lane that. But that one, you know, she step out of the box and she clad Shenseea. Nobody never expect that. Nobody never hear Jada sing nothing close to that. You see what I say? But at the same time, people, we see Jada win. Jada get some new vibes, she get some new songs, some new everything for her. Like she got some place where she never even go before. Like Spicy Friday, we don't usually see Jada them place here. So she make her way into the dancer. So out of the unfortunate situation for Shenseea, where Shenseea this are a Red Bull Concha clash and she sing the song, she get where she deserve finally, or she grow. You saw me, I say she grew her career, grow, she start to make move. I feel like she gonna run with it, you know, because she already says she do it. You know what I mean? Before now, Jada does always reserve and depend on her gram and talk her things and great. But now she come out of the comfort zone there, and now she moved towards like being like everybody else in the dance hall. You see what I say? So at the same time, now I want to ask, what do you think about Shenseea as far as, you know what I mean, Shenseea never respond and people are trying to troll her and thing. What do you think Shenseea should do? I'm not going to say make a comeback. I don't think Shenseea flop. There's no way we can say Shenseea flop. Yeah, she not like have the vibes like what she did have one time, you know what I mean? She just have post and do some little ray and people can say, yeah, might be she get tired of people at troll her and them thing there. But tell me in the comment section what you think Shenseea should do. Shenseea should have just, I mean, it don't gone bad that if she answer at this point, nobody never probably would have care. Unless there's a wicked this. You see what I say? And then Jada do her thing. So maybe Jada not go respond this time. Maybe Jada go say Ray, or maybe Jada clatter again and make it worse. But when you tell me what you think Shenseea should do, like, just keep on the music, do your regular music, and eventually this will go away. So I say people now go even remember say this they happen in a maybe couple of months or a few weeks. Let's say a few weeks, right? So maybe she just keep on going on at it. Or when I think she just plan and find a way to get back at Jada. You see me I say, make Jada feel like how she feel. You see me? But make me know how no things still. Get in the comment section. You see me I say. And if it's your first time watching on this page and you haven't liked and follow this page, please like and follow this page. And if you're watching on YouTube and it's your first time, please subscribe for daily updates. All right, thank you.